Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to focus on constraint layout in Android app development and specifically constraint guidelines. For your information, we are in Android UI XML series and this is the second video of the constraint layout. And if you are new here, please check it out the previous videos, link in the description and card button. Okay, let's start. So what exactly is a guideline in constraint layout? Well, think of a guideline as an invisible line that helps you position UI element with a constraint layout. It's incredibly useful for creating flexible and responsive layouts. Let's jump into some code to see how it works in action. Head over to Android Studio. This is where we left in the previous video. I'm just creating a guideline component. Just give width and height as a wrap content. And as usual, we're just specifying the Android ID as a guideline. Now we need to specify two things. One is orientation and another one is guide percentage. So first we will specify the orientation. It will be vertical and percent. Here we can select the guide percent and it is a float value. We just specify 0.3. Here, by adjusting this percentage, we can control the position of the guideline dynamically. So basically, this will take a 30 percentage from the screen. Since we are giving the orientation as a vertical, it will take from start left to right and 30 percentage of the screen. If we making this to horizontal, it will take top to bottom of the 30 percentage of the screen and just changing back to vertical. We can align UI elements such as buttons to this guideline using constraint. For example, like here we have a start to start of parent. Instead of parent, we just need to add ID and here we need to specify our guideline ID. And same thing we can also specify for this here. This allows them to adapt to different screen sizes and orientation seamlessly. To check how this will be in for tablets and different screens, just click on layout validation. If you're not having here, head over to these three dots and the layout validation will be here. So if you see here, since we are giving the percentage as a 0.3, it will always start 30 percentage of each screen. We also have something called guide begin. Here we need to specify the values in dimensions. So I'm giving 50 dp. So if you see here, it will take 50 dp. Different screens have different distance of 50 dB. In most cases, if we want to develop a responsive UI, we need to use percent and we can specify 0.7 here to see how it looks like here. Changing back to 3. And there you have it. With Guideline, we have a power to create a versatile and responsive layouts like this. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more coding tips and tutorials. That's it guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in comments. We'll see you on next video. Bye.